Hello everybody. In our last video, we looked on reflection, which is the bouncing back of light. In this video, we will learn more on light. By the end of this video, you will learn about all these objectives, which are: what is light, luminous, shadow, the journey of light, which are opaque, translucent and transparent. With the first objective, what is light? Light always travels in straight lines, and light is a way of transferring energy. The next one, luminous. Luminous are objects that give out or transmit light. For example, the sun, the torchlight, or the computer screen. They all give out light. And objects that don't give out light are called as non-luminous objects, such as the curtain, me, or even this board. They don't give out light. The next, shadows. Shadows are dark areas which block the light energy. Shadows form because, as I said, light always travels in straight lines. So when an object is there and the light ray comes, the light rays don't bend behind and then pass through. Since it always travels in straight lines, they form a shadow behind the object. Now, to the journey of light. Now, as you can see this diagram, this is an object. Let's think that this is a light source. For example, a torchlight or a fire. And as we learned yesterday, a ray where the light comes from is called as the incident ray. So this light is called as the incident light. When the light travels through any object or passes through is called as transmitted light. At the same time, if the incident light is given and if the light is reflected, as we learned yesterday, if the light is reflected, it's called as the reflected light. Now, if the light is reflected or transmitted depends on the object. Let's say if this object is a plastic bottle, so the light would be transmitted because you can see through the plastic bottle. What if the object was a mirror? The light would be reflected. So this is how the journey of light goes. Next, with opaque, translucent and transparent. Opaque objects are when light does not pass through. For example, the curtain. We cannot see through the curtain, and also at the same time, we also cannot see through the door. So these are examples of opaque objects. They're objects where you cannot see through. Translucent. Translucent are objects that you cannot see and can see at the same time. You must be confused. For example, a wax paper or a tracing paper is an example. Or even frosted glass. You can see, but at the same time, you cannot see. Next, transparent. Transparent objects are when you could see clearly through. For example, the plastic bottle. You can see through it clearly. Or a glass frame, which is also visible. So this is the journey of light. The definition of all these objectives will be given in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments down below. Thank you.